After organizing the biggest meeting of investors on a global scale along the Investors Conference and Investo Expo convention in Ljubljana, the two international programs of the Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association, Invest to Slovenia and International Investors Network, have further intensified their endeavors in the international business and investment arena, and only in 2013 they provided for the successful presentations of companies, institutions and investment projects in Astana, Almaty, Baku, Brussels, Buffalo, Bucharest, Cape Town, Dubai, Kiev, Ljubljana, Madrid, Minsk, Moscow, New Delhi, Tokyo, Toronto, Vienna and Zagreb. All these activities have been carried out in close cooperation with the international partners, World Federation of Investors, European Business Angels Network, Knowledge Economy Network, European Federation of Financial Services Users, International Center for Promotion of Enterprises, Association of the Luxembourg Fund Industry, European Issuers, the International Financial Litigation Network, and 57 national associations of shareholders and investors, as well as a Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Public Agency, Spirit, and Slovenian Chamber of Commerce. Membership in the international business investment programs renders possible the presence of companies and projects on the Internet portals, production and use of professional video materials from vzmd.tv and investo.tv, inclusion of informative promotional materials at important investment fairs, meetings of the representatives of domestic and transnational organizations of businessmen, investors and shareholders, the possibility of active presentations in certain countries or environments, presentations in magazines, Investo Expo, promotional leaflets, maps, etc. VZMD kindly invites those wishing to secure their business interests by taking part in our activities to contact the VZMD Investo.si program coordinator by phone at 386 31 770 771 or email info@investo.si.